Today, I'm going to show you how to add an equipment loan in QuickBooks Online. For this setup, you'll create two accounts, one for the equipment asset and one for the loan. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Chart of Accounts. Now click New. First, create the equipment account. Enter a clear account name, such as Equipment, Machinery, or the specific equipment name. For the account type, choose Fixed Assets. For the detail type, choose Machinery and Equipment. Add a description if needed. Then click Save and New. Now create the loan account. For the account type, choose Long-Term Liabilities. For the detail type, choose Notes Payable. Name the account clearly, such as Equipment Loan, or the lender name connected to the equipment. If you want the loan grouped under the equipment account, make this a sub-account and choose the equipment account as the parent. Before saving, review the account name, account type, detail type, and parent account if used. Then click Save and Close. Now go back to the chart of accounts and confirm both accounts are listed. The fixed asset account tracks the equipment, and the liability account tracks the loan owed on that equipment. You can use View Register to review or record future activity for either account. And that's how to add an equipment loan in QuickBooks Online in 2026.